Let's set up a collapsible bar. This item has 4 pieces for the 5-foot option and 12 for the 8-foot option. You'll need 2 people for assembly, but do not require any additional tools. Start by assembling the 5-foot bar. For this, you'll need the pieces labelled 5-foot front, 5-foot side L, 5-foot side R, and 5-foot top. Place the 5-foot front piece in your desired location. This item cannot be moved once assembled. Attach the side piece by sliding the hinge lock into place. To ensure the pieces are attached correctly, match the numbers on each side of the hinge. Start with the hinges labelled 1. Repeat with the other side, labelled 2. You may need to angle the piece slightly inwards before shifting it out. Lift the 5-foot top piece over the base, then slide and lower the front edge into place. This is the completed option for the 5-foot bar. Now let's build the additions to make this an 8-foot bar. For the left side, you'll need the pieces labelled 30-inch left front, 30-inch left side L, 30-inch left side R, and 30-inch left top. Place the left front piece against the left side of the 5-foot bar. Grab the left side R piece, labelled 3, and slide the hinge lock into place. Once secure, slide towards the bar for a seamless front. Repeat with the left side L piece, labelled 4, remembering to angle in if needed. Lift the left top over the base, then slide and lower the front edge into place. Use the remaining pieces to repeat this process for the right addition. These hinges will be labelled 5 and 6. Once complete, place the folding table underneath. Add a bar menu, glassware, or decor for a finished look. Looking for more tutorials? Check out our website for more videos.